बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम 8th क्लास, कैसे हैं आप सब? गिव मी योर रिस्पॉन्स एंड class, we are in chapter 5 and in our previous lecture we have discussed about the types of chemical reactions. Today I'll discuss about the energy changes in chemical reactions. Keep in mind, whenever a chemical reaction takes place, whenever chemical change takes place, a substance undergoes energy change. Energy may be released or may be absorbed. It depends on the type of reaction. So, in order to know about the nature of chemical change in various reactions, we need to know about the change in energy of substances. The energy of a substance is in a particular amount of energy due to which substances of the energy of a substance is a particular amount of energy due to which the structure of substances remains stable. A substance undergoes a chemical change reaction when its energy is changed. The change in energy of a substance takes place by absorbing or releasing heat or light. On the basis of energy changes, there are two types of reactions: endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction, that we will discuss in detail. So, about energy changes, it is stated that chemical reactions happen whenever a substance undergo energy changes. So, reaction takes place. So, next topic is exothermic reaction. Exo mean release, exit, outside, and therm mean heat. So always exothermic reactions takes place whenever energy is released from the system. जब कभी एनर्जी सिस्टम से रिलीज़ होती है तो एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन होता है. ठीक है, इसकी बहुत सारी डेली लाइफ एग्जांपल हैं, बहुत सारी और एग्जांपल यहाँ डिस्कस की हुई हैं. एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस आर दोज reactions during which heat is given out. So heat is always given out or energy is given out in case of exothermic reactions. So examples are discussed. First example is burning of coal. Burning of coal is a common example of exothermic reaction. So carbon burns in the presence of oxygen and the products include carbon dioxide plus heat is given out. And the methane burning is an or natural gas burning, or we can say fossil fuel burning, is another common example. We daily observe it at home to cook food. We burn the natural gas, that is called methane gas, in the presence of oxygen, and the products include carbon dioxide, water, and heat. Here is a balanced chemical equation is written. CH4 plus O2, products are CO2, 2H2O, heat. And the other example is reaction of iron with the sulfur, or we can say the addition reaction of iron and sulfur always produce heat or release heat. The product is iron sulfide. The next example is combination or addition of calcium oxide with water, or reaction of calcium oxide with water. The product include calcium hydroxide, COH twice, and heat is given out. Fireworks is also common example of exothermic reaction. You have observed that during you must observe that during fireworks energy is given out. I hope you have observed it. And class, the next topic is endothermic reactions. Endo means absorb, inside. Endo mean inside, therm mean heat. So the reactions during which heat is absorbed by the system or heat goes inside the system. Inside system is a closed or separate combination of different things from the environment. Like a cup of a tea is a system, and the relation with its environment will be surrounding. Heat is absorbed during endothermic reactions. The examples of endothermic reactions include the breakdown of calcium carbonate so it needs into its components. The breakdown of calcium carbonate into its components, that needs heat. Heat is absorbed, so the reaction is endothermic, and the products include calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The other example is reaction of calcium chloride with sodium carbonate, that also needs heat to occur. So the products are CaCO3, calcium carbonate, and sodium chloride. Other examples include reaction of nitrogen with oxygen that also need heat. The products include nitrogen dioxide, and the other example is hydrogen plus iodine, addition of hydrogen with iodine that produce hydrogen iodide, and it needs heat, so it's also a endothermic reaction. So these are the examples of endothermic reactions. Most of these exothermic and endothermic examples takes place in daily life, and we have observed it, and you must practice these equations and balance these equations and must understand about the exothermic and endothermic. I'll revise. Exothermic reactions are those reactions during which heat is released or given out. Endothermic reactions are those reactions during which heat is absorbed by the system. So that was all. I hope you understand. Give me your feedback. Thank you.